Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to review Lego Friends 2025 Advent Calendar. So I told you that they don't sell this in Korea, and so this one it came from Canada. So this Advent calendar, they're wearing like Christmas pajamas, so it's much more special than the original one. So the one in the right part, that's the original one. So now let's open this. So Advent calendars, we're supposed to open one present like one at a time, so starting from December 1st to Christmas Eve. So but I'm kind of impatient, so I'm going to open every one of them today. So the drawings, they look very warm and like Christmas lights and stuff like that. And that one is the music like apartment shop. And here we have Alia, so it's very detailed, and here it's the apartments and shop set. So it looks very warm, right? I love the lights. And here it's paisley with waffles, remember? And at the back part, I think they kind of look like the community center. Or is that one the community center? I'm not so sure. And this one is the plant cafe set. And that's the pony ranch stable. And this is the travel car, road trip travel car set. So this one, I'm not so sure what this building is, but anyway, let's start opening number one. So it's Alia in her Christmas pajamas, and there's also a little kind of low, but like a sleeping bag or kind of like a low bed. I love her pajamas. It's so cute. So I've seen these pants before, but her top, the pajamas with like a little present on it, I've never had that one before. I think they made it, like it's a new one, so it's very special. It's actually kind of hard getting this set because they don't sell it in the main like site, but I found another site and it was coming from Canada, but luckily it came just in time. So this is number two, rather simple. So this is Alia's dog, and Era, yeah, I think her name was Era. And so now it's number three, and it kind of looks like a sofa with lights. So it doesn't really have to do with Christmas, but I guess they're kind of like running out of ideas because they made a lot of advent calendars, right? Because Lego is a very old company. So it's a red sofa with like little lights attached to it. So yeah, I think it's supposed to be that. So this is day 3, and now day 4. So it's like a little like jams and like a old looking book. So I have like a case over here, like a red stand, and like makeup stuff or perfume, I'm not so sure. And there's like this Once Upon a Time book. So yeah, this also doesn't really have to do with Christmas. But anyway, now day 5, it's Leanne. Oh, hello Leanne. So I've also had Leanne with her pajamas, and this one is almost similar, but the top is different. So it's like a raccoon drawn on it and like ornaments all tangled up. So I guess she's having trouble decorating the tree. So I also have this one, the pajama with like dumplings on it, and her bed, it's like kind of like blueberry color, and it looks very pretty. So now day 6. So this is Leanne's pet gecko. So I forgot her name, but it's a gecko, or maybe she doesn't have a name. I think she had a name, but I kind of forgot. So it's a very nice gecko with her own little space, and also like a feeder over here with water inside. Now day 7, it's going to be like a paint thing, and they're painting like a Christmas tree. I think this is a very nice idea. So it looks very nice. And Leanne also really likes drawing, so it makes sense that it's after Leanne. The day is after Leanne because the Leanne was like day 5. So anyway, it's a tree with like all different colors, and we have paint and water and a paintbrush over here like this. Now day 8, sorry. So it's a fireplace. I think I already had a fireplace, but they have to make 24 presents. So yeah, it makes sense that some of them gets like 2 of them, like a game. They reuse it because fireplace is very important. So it looks very nice, it looks very cozy and wonderful. So now day 9, and it's like a little table, and there's a letter. So they're probably writing like a letter to Santa. So the table has like 2 layers, red and pink color, and it's very colorful. And there's also a candle over here, and the same sort of like plant and leaf, the same sort of plant from the what do you call that, the fireplace. Yeah, so those are like heart-shaped plants. We also have them on top of the fireplace. So now it's already day 10, and it's Leo. So Leo also has his own pajamas, and it's my first time having Leo with his pajamas. And his pajamas, there's like little gingerbread cookies on them, wearing like Santa's hat. So cute. So this is Leo, and his bed color is yellow color, so it looks very nice. So this is Leo, and probably next we're gonna have churro, because no, it's not churro. So 11 is not churro. It's like a cooking table with chocolate and milk. So they are probably making hot choco. I love hot choco. Yeah, we also have a pot because we have to boil it to make hot choco. So now 12, oh yeah, so it's like a little dessert table with a hot choco. I told you they were gonna make a hot choco. So a little table over here with hot choco with whipped cream on top of it. That's so good. And we also have some cookies with sprinkles on top of it. It looks so delicious. So now on to number 13. It's churro. Yeah, churro came kind of late because he's supposed to come right after Leo, but anyway, now it's 14, and it's like a little stand with like a feather. Cats love playing with feathers. So I think this is supposed to be for churro, Yeah, it's very nice. So a little stand with feather, and now 15, it's Autumn. I love Autumn's pajamas. It's green, and like she's wearing like a red shoe with like white socks, and there's like a reindeer drawn on her pajamas. It's so cute, right? And her bed color is like light mint color, so I like it very much. This color is very nice. I love all their bed colors, very colorful. So this is Autumn, and next we're gonna probably have Autumn's pet. I know Autumn doesn't have a pet. She just has horses, right? So anyway, this is 16, and it's like stick horses. And yeah, come to think about it, Autumn has horses, so that's why maybe we have like stick horses instead of actual horses. But I'm not so sure what those red ones are supposed to be, So anyway, now it's 17, and it's a little guinea pig. There was this guinea pig playground set this January, but I didn't review that one, so I didn't buy that one. So I didn't have any guinea pigs, but they're much cuter than I expected. So cute. So it's a little guinea pig, and now it's 18. It's Nova, and her pajamas are so amazing. So I've never seen Nova with her pajamas either, and her pajamas are so stylish with like falling snow and like a gaming console wearing a Santa's hat. That's very creative. So this is Nova, and her bed color is purple color. So probably 19, I think we're going to have a Pickle because all the pets came after their owners. But now, once again, it's not Pickle. So, at first the pets came right after their owners, but now it's not really like that. So it's like I think it's like a singing machine, I think, and it's very nice because, yeah, it looks very nice. It kind of feels like a party. So it's like a singing machine with a microphone attached to it, and now it's already 20, and it's Pickle. So I'm kind of disappointed because 2023, all the pets were kind of like Christmassy with like decorations and stuff like that. But this year, there aren't any decorations at all for the pets, sadly. So now it's already 21, and of course, one of the most important things about Christmas, it's a Christmas tree. I also have a really giant Christmas tree. I just love Christmas trees. It feels so warm, and It's very nice because, not every houses have like fireplaces, but if you have a Christmas tree, it feels very warm as if you have a fireplace. So it's very nice. And Christmas trees are much better when it's big because it's a small Christmas tree. It doesn't feel very nice. So it's a Christmas tree with a like a star on top of it. Of course, we need to have a star on top of the Christmas tree. Now it's 22 and we have accessories. So now it kind of makes sense. So we can put accessories to the dogs and the pets and also to the dolls if we want to. But it's not very Christmassy actually, but still it looks kind of nice. So all of the ones that I already know about, so they're not very special. So now it's 22 or 3. I didn't really see it. I think it was 22. So anyway, the most important part about Christmas presents. And so it's 23, not 22, sorry, and it looks so fantastic. They made the presents look so pretty this year. It's the best presents in the advent calendar. The colors, they made it so nicely. It's so colorful and I love it. And it's already the last day, which is Christmas Eve. And it's a really cute, like a reindeer animal thing on like a sled. So now Lego is making these mysterious creatures like around stuff. I also have several of them. Yeah, it's a reindeer, but yeah, it's very cute. And we also have a spare like reindeer stuff. And so now we opened all 24 presents. And so now we're going to place them all around this place. So I'm not so sure what this place is because, it's somewhere in Hot Lake City, that's for sure. But yeah, they didn't really describe where this place is. So anyway, now we placed all the stuff and let's just say that it's someone's house. So let's say that it's Nova's house because I don't know how Nova's house is gonna look like. So let's just say that it's Nova's house. So we've put all the bunk beds in the kitchen like round like this. Now they can also sleep. It's not our actual bed colors. I think I kind of got mixed up. So anyway, let's say that they're not here yet. So Nova is preparing Christmas and everyone else, they're not here yet. So ding dong, everyone arrived and they've prepared presents for one another, like, kind of like that, giving presents and not knowing who gave it to them. But I'm not gonna really do it like that. So it's kind of like giving presents to one person, one friend. So anyway, they're all here and let's put all the presents underneath the tree. Yeah, good idea. I'm so excited for Christmas! Yeah, today's Christmas Eve, and when are we gonna open the presents? We're going to open it quite soon, Leanne. So we're going to open the presents on Christmas Eve, and then on Christmas we're gonna pass Christmas with our family, and Christmas Eve we are having a Christmas with our friends. Yeah, kind of like that. So we brought all our pets. So I don't have a pet. Don't worry. So now we're just going to eat a little bit. Yeah. So I prepared hot choco and cookies. Oh, I love hot choco. Yeah, I know. And whipped creams. They're fantastic. Yeah, my favorite hot choco with whipped creams. So what are we gonna do after we eat? Let's just eat and think after that. Okay. How about we just do some free activities like what we want to do, like we can eat and, Nova has prepared a lot of stuffs and there's a lot of things to do around this house. Yeah, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna draw like a tree, so because I see a painting equipments right behind me. Yeah, I prepared that for you. Thanks, Nova. Thanks, Nova. I can't wait. I'm gonna make this tree all different colors. So the colors are gonna become lighter as they go up. Yeah, that looks nice. Who wants to write letters to Father Christmas? I do. So, you can write to him. And don't you think it's kind of late, because tomorrow is Christmas. That's why you have to hurry up. Yeah. Okay. So, dear Santa, I would like blah, 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 blah for Christmas. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. I really hope I can see you someday from autumn. So now you have to mail it. Yeah, right. So I should go outside right away. Oh, how about we play with these accessories, Leo, and we can put them on the pets. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna be Queen Alia, and sadly for you, Leo, you don't have any holes on top of your hair, so you can't put on any accessories. But we can put this yellow ribbon on top of Pickle. Yeah, he looks so nice, and mint flower to Era. She likes it very much. And a top hat to Churro. You know, Churro really likes top hats. Yeah, I know. So there you go. It looks very nice. I love it. It's so cute. Now I have to mail this letter. So yeah, wait a sec. I'll go right away and mail it. So this like post box, it's from the last year, or yeah, last year, I think last year advent calendar. So that one is not included in this set, but it's included in the last year advent calendar. So now the moment you've been waiting for, Lian. Yay! Finally, we're handing out presents. I love it. So now let's all sit down on top of our beds and prepare all our presents. I loved all the wrappings. Yeah, every one of them looks very pretty. And oh, I love your wrappings, Lillian. And oh, yours look nice too, Leo. Yeah, it looks so nice. So who's gonna go first? So I'm gonna go first, and it's a present to Leo. Oh, thanks very much. Oh, it's one of the stick horse toys that I've always wanted. Oh yeah, I love it. I'm glad you like it, Leo. Yeah, it looks so cool. Oh yeah, it looks very nice. And you can ride horses. It's kind of like riding horses indoors, because you can't actually ride horses indoors, but this is like a horse and you can ride it anywhere. Yeah. Leo's very excited. Yeah, very excited. So I'll go next. And it's a present to you, Lian. Oh, a present for me. It's a singing machine. Oh yeah, it feels really like a party now. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, you're gonna have so much fun. But before you have a lot of fun, Lian, please hand out your present first, because I think it's gonna get kind of like delayed if we just all go away after we receive presents. Oh yeah, right. Okay. So my present is to Nova. So it's for you, Nova. Oh yeah, I love the wrappings. Yeah. So please open your present. Okay, so it's a sled. Yeah. You know, outdoors activities are also nice too, Nova. Yeah, I love it. Thanks, Liam. So it's a present to you, Alia. Oh, thanks. Oh, it's a book. Yeah, you know, the Once Upon a Time, like old book series, you know, the book series that you love. Ah, thanks so much, Autumn. I love it so much. Yeah, so Leo, come back. You need to give me my present, remember? Oh, sorry, Autumn. Here you go. This is your present. Thanks, Leo. So, it's a little doll, like a reindeer doll. It's so cute. Thanks, Leo. So now everyone's very happy with their Christmas presents. I'm gonna sing some Christmas songs.
We wish you a Merry